Meet Tim. This feisty feline is here to help you learn all about roaming cats, their threat to songbirds, and how you can help. You may be surprised to learn that one of the main threats to North American songbirds are free-roaming cats. A free-roaming cat is any cat that is not confined in a house or other type of enclosure. This includes pets, strays, and ferals. In the United States, cats kill approximately 2.4 billion birds every year. An estimated 196 million birds are killed each year by cats in Canada. We can do our part to both reduce the threat to native songbirds and keep cats safe by keeping cats indoors, in a catio, or on a leash. Tim lives indoors to keep him safe and protect the songbirds that live in his backyard. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more fun, informative videos that feature Tim. And remember to spread the word so that we can keep songbirds, cats, and other wildlife safe.